Ruhonge rwa kuramata mititu guku bururi-ini unyitaniri-ini na gikundi kia Green Belt Movement hamwe na maafitha a KDF ni manyitanire kuhanda miti 70,000 ya kimerera gicigo-ini kia Maji Mazuri. Murugamiriri munene wa mihang'o ya kuramata mititu Julius Kamau augite muoroto wa gukinyiria gicunji kia 10% kia mititu guku bururi-ini no ukinyanire angikorwo ikundi cia githirikari na itari cia githirikari no cietikire kunyitanira uhandi-ini wa miti.
So what we did is that we realized that before then we used to have very many partners, but they used only to come and plant trees for public relations and then they leave. We realized that we have to put in a sustainable mechanism to allow that the partner who come and engage with us not only plant trees for the cameras, but also plant trees and sustain them for about 3 to 5 years. Then surrender back that area to Kenya Forest Service.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa gikundi kia Green Belt Movement Wycliffe Matika nginyagia riu mahandite miti milioni 1 na otagwo gikundi gia KDF.
Therefore, as the Green Belt Movement, we are using a watershed-based approach where we believe that as we plant trees in the upstream, we'll be able to bring a healing effect towards the downstream and to transition areas. And when we are talking about Mau, we are looking even at Masai Mara, we are looking at Lake Victoria, Lake Natron, we are looking even at Lake Nakuru.
These endeavors began way back in 2003 when our strategic leaders realized that most of the issues that we are facing, security-related issues that we are facing, emanates from environment. And since then, we embarked on that program and we have been able to plant over 20 million trees across the country.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, jitagwo Gina wa Wadurwa.